Ayo, welcome back to my channel. Today we are biking from Lincoln, North Dakota all the way to Gackle. It is about 104 miles and stay tuned for this adventure because it's gonna be awesome. It is pretty windy, but we're not fighting the wind. Also, as you can see, we lost 2 of our members for this trip. Chris was hospitalized 2 days ago. He was just really hot, really cold, shaky. He couldn't breathe very well, so we brought him to the hospital, and now he's actually going home back to Michigan. We're gonna meet back up with Claire and Chris in Michigan in about 16 days for the 4th of July. It's a bummer that they can't make it, and we're not really sure what's wrong with Chris, so they're being safe and cautious and not having him bike. A lot of cattle here in North Dakota. There's a storm ahead of us, but it's moving east, so hopefully it's moving faster than us so that we don't have to bike through it. It's getting more humid the more east we go, so hopefully that kills off a little bit. I know I'm from Michigan, it's pretty humid there. So. John Mark came and clutched with the pretzels on the road. The person we stayed with said that Chris might have been overhydrated, and so you need electrolytes, and pretzels have electrolytes. So 10 minutes later, John Mark bought pretzels. First bathroom break of the day. Alright, we found lunch at this cute park in Hazelton. Time to eat. Peanut butter. Oh, here's Clyde.
Is this another day in the life
of a 100-mile day? Hopefully we make it. Do you think we'll make it? I have a peanut butter and jelly, apple, and granola. How many?
60.
62 to go. John Mark is carving in with bagels and cheese. Ellen's having some chicken from yesterday's dinner, which I'm about to have after my peanut butter. And Elle is also gonna cook up a storm. She always does. I won't put water in it. Yes. Okay, we have some granola and some cranberries.
Put water in the cereal.
John Mark thinks I should put water in it to make cereal.
You ate it. You ate the cereal granola like 5 times on this trip.
I know, but they don't know that. But this is another lunch. Whoa. Well, there's one here too. Look at this little deer. It is almost 2 o'clock and we have 60 more miles to go, so we should probably get going, but oh, it just feels so nice not to be on a bike. Yeah, John Mark. Crosswind, it is going to the right. Look guys, a lake! This is our first lake in North Dakota. Yeehaw! We have biked 65 miles. We have 25 to go. And we are at a farm getting some water, and we're gonna eat like a second lunch type of big snack. It is 4:20. I have no idea what time we will finish, but we're just chugging along. All right, so the people in North Dakota said that east of Bismarck is pancake flat, but I think they were mistaken because that thing looked more like a waffle. We've been going over rolling hills quite a bit today, and I think it looks like waffle rather than pancake. So that is what I've been thinking about today. After I make it up this mountain, this hill. Also, I figured out how to put music on my watch today. Garmin Forerunner 645 with music. Highly recommend. It is a pretty deserted road, so we're all kind of in our own space, listening to music, having a great time chugging up this little hill. That car that just went by was our first car in like 20 minutes. So there's not many cars, pretty cool sky, lots of cows and hills. I think we're at mile about 80 right now, so we have 20 more to go until we get to Gackle, North Dakota. Where we want to stay is actually a little bit past 100 miles. So yeah, we'll see what happens. We'll probably just, we'll definitely just go to the place that we're supposed to stay, that we like mapped out, but it might be like 105 or something. And there's like a lake here, so it's nice to see lakes. Obviously I'm from Michigan, so it's really nice to see some water, even though that's like a pond. But alright, gotta keep chugging along. Also, I put electrical tape on my handlebars because they were starting to rip, so improv. Update, we are at mile 83, and I am slowly trudging along. I think I'm gonna stop soon and take some ibuprofen. My legs are just hurting. Like, oh, they're just tired, okay? They're just tired. And yep, that's update. We're gonna make it though. We're gonna make it. Let's go. Wants to eat dinner right now, and we are at mile 90. We have about 15 miles to go because our stop is about 5 miles beyond the 100 mark. So we're gonna have a celebration at 100 miles today. We're not done yet. And that's the update. Alright, we're at 97 miles, and we have 6 miles that way fighting the wind. We can do it, guys. We need food though first. It's about 7:30 p.m. so we kind of missed dinner. Chicken taco on the road. Woo! We are at 100 miles and we are biking still. 3 more miles until our town. We can do it. It's just a little windy. Great sunset. But we're at 100 miles and I'm just in shock because when I came on this trip, the longest bike ride I have ever gone on was 26. I was like, I'm gonna bike a marathon. And so I did. But now I biked 100 miles, which is equivalent to running a marathon, but that doesn't matter. It's just crazy how much stronger that we got, how much stronger we got. Life is good, life is beautiful. I can't wait to get off this bike. Alright, we are almost there. I am not feeling well. I just need to get off this bike. Cyclist housing this way. Good morning, everybody. Sorry I didn't close out yesterday's video. I was absolutely just exhausted after 104 miles. I ate some pasta and took a shower and went to bed. It was just a long day. We made it to this honey hub, which is a cyclist only free kind of place to stay. It's like a hostel. So we put all our bikes here, and then on the door it says honey hub, it's cyclist housing. So let's see what's inside. John Mark is making breakfast. Doo-doo. So it's really cool in there, and I slept amazing. I slept on the bed, and the father who owns this, so the father's father, actually was a co-partner of the Honey Stinger like energy chews and like granola bars. It's a huge company, and so that's why it's called the Honey Hub, and you can buy like the honey chews inside, and it's really cool. There's like a lot of history in there, pictures. There's a cute and big like guest book. It's just really cool. And so if anybody is cycling across the country, make sure you stop in Gackle, North Dakota to stay at the Honey Hub. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed it, watching us bike 104 miles. There was a lot of laughs, a lot of fun, and overall it was just a great experience, even though I was super exhausted at the end. As you can see, I have came alive again, and now we have to bike 70 miles today. But at least it's not 104. Comment below if you have any questions or comments, and I'll be sure to answer. Stay tuned for the next adventure.